Hi, my name is Daolun Chen, professor of mechanical engineering. My research centers on materials in transportation, specifically the composition, microstructure, and the properties of high-strength, lightweight materials, including aluminum, magnesium, composites, and more recently, high-entropy alloys. Progress in fatigue and fracture of materials enhances the long-term reliability and safety of vehicles and aircraft. Innovative manufacturing techniques reduce costs and improve efficiencies. By providing insights into critical aerospace and automotive components, we can increase durability, cut energy use, and lower carbon emissions, leading to safer, more sustainable transportation. Throughout my career, my mentors and students have been a great inspiration. I believe collaboration and diverse perspectives are key to the future of manufacturing. Innovation in lightweight, high-performance materials is leading the way. It's an exciting field to be part of.